Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into the political drama unfolding in Zimbabwe. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. So picture this. Mahere, the outspoken spokesperson for the MDC alliance, is not holding back. Recently, she went on the record demanding that President Emerson Mnangagwa hold his ministers accountable. And why? That's a red flag if I've ever seen one. And now the latest twist in this saga. Mnangagwa's recent business trip to China. Sounds normal, right? But wait, who's that in the forefront of the pictures? His son. Yep, you heard me. His son, who is not a public official, is front and center while other ministers, including the finance minister, are in the background. Kind of looks like Zimbabwe is turning into a family business, doesn't it? So is Mnangagwa's trip to China a working state visit, or is it a taxpayer-funded family vacation? That's the million-dollar question. Mahere's critique is crystal clear. Zimbabwe needs new leadership. Leaders who prioritize the country over personal gain. What do you think? Is Mahere's demand for accountability a wake-up call for Zimbabwe, or just more political drama? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and hey, if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, stay informed and stay critical. Catch you later.